Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. If we're looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $2.5 trillion. We're up 2.3% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 43.2%. If we're looking at the overall markets, we are seeing some mild red across the board, but that is to be expected as small retracements do occur, as I mentioned on my channel over and over again. But this is the start of the next leg up, so very exciting times ahead for the cryptocurrency space. But today guys, I want to talk about none other than Vechain. Alright guys, if we're looking at Vechain's price right now, Vechain is currently trading at 23.1 cents. It's up 8.5% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 6.1% in BTC comparative in the last 24 hours. VeChain currently ranks on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko at that top 14th spot. Market cap right now is $15 billion and 24-hour trading volume is $4.6 billion. If we're zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, VeChain is up a staggering 5,200%, and in just the last 30 days, 101%. So everything is looking very nice for VeChain, and I believe in just the next coming days, we will smash past our all-time high, as I have been mentioning earlier. But now let's jump into this thing I want to share with you guys. Eason Reach, posted this on Twitter. It's VeChain X BMW Verify Car. As the next major battlefield for the big data, the auto industry has a strong foundation for blockchain. BMW has cooperated with VeChain for a certain mature application in tracking the history of car repairs and driving behavior. So if you guys don't know, this partnership with BMW and VeChain has it's been there for a while, but I like how they are shedding light on these partnerships, and because now it creates more excitement because there's a lot of newcomers coming into the markets. Yes, a lot of the old VeChain OG VeChain holders already know about these partnerships, but I like how they are bringing these partnerships to light, which will create a lot of buzz, and people will start to realize what VeChain is really all about. As you guys if you guys don't know, these are some of the partnerships that VeChain is already partnered with: PwC, H&M, Walmart China, DHL, BMW, as I've just mentioned, AWS, Salesforce. So if they come out and start slowly showing each of these partnerships, like how they are partnered with, a lot of people will get excited, and a lot of eyes will come on VeChain, and that's exactly what's going on. And I believe this would be a smart marketing strategy for VeChain as well. That would be very interesting, and we have a lot of interest already coming into the markets. A lot of people are starting to realize what kind of potential VeChain brings to the cryptocurrency space. Not only that, but the real world as well. So very exciting times ahead, and I believe they should do this to create a lot of hype, because as I've mentioned, a lot of newcomers coming in the markets, they don't know about all these partnerships. They may have heard a little bit about VeChain because it is get hyped. A lot of people are talking about it, but not many people know what VeChain really is doing. So having these kind of articles come out would be very interesting in my opinion. And also, if you guys are part of the VeChain family, if you're new, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below, which goes over this entire article. I strongly encourage you guys to read it. Very beneficial for you guys. Even if you're an old holder, I strongly encourage you guys to read this article. It will be it will be in the link in the description box below. But now let's jump into the price for VeChain. So what is VeChain doing, you may be asking? So if you guys watched my video yesterday, I said, guys, this is a strong level of resistance for VeChain, which was at the level of 22.5 cents level. As you guys can see, let me just bring out this. As you guys can see, we tried to break this once, and we tried to break it twice, and we finally broke it yesterday. And you guys see the level of resistance, how strong of a level of resistance it really was. But we broke it. We had no problem breaking it. But then we went all the way up to 25 cents, and here's a perfect example, guys. nothing goes up straight forever. There's going to be retracement. People do tend to take profits, and some people probably took profits, and we came down. But now you guys can see this level of resistance now is playing as support for us. So we're holding literally on that line. As you guys can see, we're literally holding right on that support level, which was resistance earlier. So everything is looking very, very nice for VeChain. In my opinion, I still believe in it's just a matter of time in the next coming days. If we were to get a little bit more buying pressure to kick in, it's just a matter of time. VeChain goes towards its all-time high, and we're currently just, let's measure that right now. We're currently just 21.84% away from its all-time high. Like I mentioned, just a little bit more buying pressure to kick in, and then we're off to the races. And I did expect some sort of choppiness to be around this level. If you guys watch my video, I said there will be some choppiness around that level before we do see some newer highs. And I believe now is in the next coming days we are about to see a newer all-time high for VeChain, and I'm very, very confident about that. Let's bring out the Fibonacci retracement tool so we can get a better picture of what's exactly going on and where we could go in the future as well. So let me just bring this thing out for you guys. So now if we're looking at it from this point of view, yeah, so we're sitting on that support line right now. But let's say we do tend to go down a bit more because markets are slowly taking a breather. We have been seeing a lot of new all-time highs after newer all-time highs, but a small sort of retracement, would, even if that occurred, would be very bullish. But I do not see that happening. But if we go down, I believe this is a strong, strong level of support at the 38.2. We have a lot of support built up around here. That would be around that 20 cents range. It's a high possibility for that to happen if we do continue to fall further, but this is playing as a strong level of support right now for us. And the overall market sentiment and momentum is very, very bullish, so I do not see that happening, but it's definitely a possibility. But if that happened, that would be bullish as well. But as of now, I believe we are gonna be trading, maybe trading sideways for a while like this, and then we smash past its all-time high and head towards 30 cents, which is the next target. And once we hit 30 cents, I would not be surprised if we go up to 35 cents as well. But 30 cents is the next target for myself, and I have all eyes on 30 cents. And I believe in just the next coming days, we are about to get to that level, as there's so much hype building up around VeChain now, guys. A lot of big people around, especially on Twitter, big influencers, they're talking about VeChain, and a lot of other newcomers are talking about VeChain as well, which I found interesting. I was just on Instagram 2 days ago, and there was one of these popular pages. They posted something about Dogecoin. I was reading the comments about the comments, and then there's a lot of people talking about VeChain. Buy VeChain, guys. Look into VeChain. So that goes to show the level of interest really building up for VeChain. So I would not be surprised if we do smash past our all-time high in just the next coming days. And everything is looking very, very bullish right now for VeChain, and it's just a matter of time before we do have a liftoff. But now, before I end this video, you guys know me, I always keep it 100% realistic with you guys. And now we also got to look at the bearish scenario if that were to play out right now. I'm sorry, right now the chances of the bearish scenario to occur are very low. But as you guys may know, Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the entire cryptocurrency market. So if that were to go down, even have like a 5% retracement, definitely we will see VeChain going down as well. So if that were to happen, I'm not saying that will happen, but we always have to be prepared for that. If that happened, yes, we can definitely go back down, and I believe this will be the level of support. We have a support around that 0.50 level. This does tend to play out as a very crucial level of support in general. But if we're unable to hold around there, this is another level of support at that 15.5 cents level. If that happened, guys, I will be accumulating like crazy, but no financial advice. But if that was not able to hold, then we can even fall further to that 12.9 cents level. But in order for us to have a pullback at this type of magnitude would require Bitcoin to fall to $45,000, which I do not see happening, as I believe the shakeout that we needed to happen for the cryptocurrency market has already happened, and I believe we're off to the races and off to some newer all-time highs. But again, we always have to, be prepared for such kind of pullbacks. But that is it for today's video. Everything is looking very, very nice for Vechain, and like I said, it's just a matter of time before we smash past our newer all-time high. But now, before I end this video, I want to say, guys, stay safe out there. Safety comes first, health comes first, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. And thank you for all the support that you guys show me. You guys know who you are, and all my viewers, like your support matters a lot to me. Like your support does not go unnoticed. Thank you so much for all the positive comments that you guys leave on my videos, and I am delivering these videos for you guys because you guys enjoy them. So thank you so much. Road to 20,000 subscribers, and this is just the beginning, guys. And oh yeah, let me know in the comment section below where you could see Vechain trading at the end of May. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And I think with that being said, I will wrap up today's video around here. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.